This is how to use an existing image to recreate another one in Google Gemini attached to Google search engine. All right. The first step is to open your Google Chrome web browser. As your browser opens, you will see this plus sign in this search area. If you are using a different browser other than Chrome, you may need to visit google.com before you continue. So here is google.com. Let's just do it together. You can see we are shown the same thing here. All right. So what you need to do is to click on this plus sign. On clicking on the plus sign, select upload image. So this will open a section of your folder. Just navigate to where the image you want to use is saved. All right. So here mine is saved in the screenshot. I'll click on it and I'll click on open. So once it opens like this, prompt it and tell it what you want it to do on the image you inserted. So let me tell it what I want it to do right now. And here it reads, insert the logo of Microsoft Excel on the screen of the phone. All right. What I uploaded is phone screen. Okay. So once you upload yours, tell it what you want it to do next. After that, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Okay, this has come up with a result. And here it has a combination of Excel logo and Word. And that is why it is AI. Sometimes it's not accurate. So once it generates something you don't like, it may happen in most occasions. All right. Still reprompt. All right. And be more specific on what you want it to do. So I will reprompt here. So I says generate another one. Let the entire screen of the phone be covered with Excel logo in white background. So let's see what it gives us. I'll click on this. Okay, here it has come up with a better result because I was more detailed. Okay, so if maybe you don't like what it returns to you, for example, the blue X here, if I don't like it, I will tell it change the color to another thing. All right. So sometimes you may need to reprompt until you get it correct. So let's try something else again by picking the two photos, then extract this on what to do if we get the best results. All right. So I'll click here, click on upload image. Then let's first get to screenshot. I'll pick this, open, then I'll click on this, select image upload, get to downloads where I have the next picture, open. Okay, so I will instruct you to place the Excel logo on the screen. Okay, look at what I have here. I said make the screen of the phone to be in white background, place the Excel logo on the white screen. Okay, so let's prompt. And here we are with the better result. So sometimes you may need to, feed the AI with the images or the photos before you prompt to get a better result. So after that, you can download by clicking on the download image button. Okay, it will be saved inside your PC and you're good. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.